All right, this is the 20 volt max XR hammer drill. And I've had this for a while, and I will tell you right now, this is the most powerful battery operated tool that I have. It has 3 speeds. You can switch back and forth pretty easily here. 3 is going to be high speed, low torque. 1 is going to be low speed, high torque. 3 is going to be good for your standard drilling. But if you're using like a hole saw or something, you probably want to go to 2. You've got your clutch here. Again, you've got 11 settings on your clutch. You've got drill, which is going to be no clutch, so wide open. And then, of course, you got your hammer drill setting here. Now, another thing that's nice about this is it does have a speed limiting clutch. So if you go down to set this on 1, you'll notice that it does have a slow start, and that's about as fast as it goes. If I set to 3, we'll go a little faster. 5, let's go to 5. And now you can see it goes a little bit faster. Down here, you have your light settings. And the brighter here. Now this is only going to work when you hit the trigger. And that'll adjust the light settings down there. It is brushless, so there's nothing to wear out. There's no gears to wear out, so it will last you quite a bit longer. Max speed for just your drill driver is going to be 2,000 RPMs, where it's 2,250 for the hammer drill. It's a bit heavier, and again, that's just because it's a hammer drill, but it's still not too bad. This is a treated 2x8 on drill setting, 3rd gear, and we'll just see this thing just flies through it. We'll go to the 2nd gear. Go to 2nd gear here. A little slower, but that 3rd gear just flies through it. So here's a spade bit, 3rd gear. Again, drill settings. Now, when you're using a spade bit or something like that, it is better to put it in 2nd gear, just because you need that extra torque as you push down. Otherwise, it sometimes will catch. So let's try this again. As you can see, no problem going through that at all. A great drill, really powerful.